Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own ChatGPT API on your SmartScript account. Okay, so when you purchase GHL SaasKits All Access Pass, then you will get the SmartScript AI software limited version. Okay, so you can use all the features, but you need to use your own API key. Okay, to set the API key, just log into your account, and then from the profile icon, click my profile here, and then you will see the option to personal API keys. Okay, click on this, and then you will see the option to enter your OpenAI secret key. Okay, to do that, just log into your OpenAI account. Okay, so just go to platform.openai.com/API keys. Okay, you will see if you already have some API key created, then you will see listed here, but even if you don't have any of them, then you will see this empty. Okay, but it's easy to create your API key. All you just need to select here, create new API secret key, click on this, and then give it a name. Let's say this is demo. Okay, so once you demo one. Okay, so once you just edit your name, then click create secret key. Okay, once you do that, you will see. Okay, so it's asking me to complete the puzzle. That's fine. Okay, let me do this first. Okay, the verification done, and you can see here I got the API key. Okay, so just click here to copy. Okay, here, and then click done and go back to your account. Okay, SmartScript account, then enter the API key here. Okay, so I just added the API key. Okay, enter your stable diffusion API key. If you want to use the stable diffusion API key, then you can also do that. Okay, but in my case I'm just going to use the OpenAI API key. Okay, so just hit save, and then okay, so you can see this message, it successfully added the API key. Okay, let me go back to the AI chat. Okay, I'm going to test it if everything goes well. Okay, AI chat. Okay, so I am going to start the chatting. Hi, and if everything well, okay, you can see here it's working now. Okay, so can you write an email template example for me? Okay, so let me show you if everything, yeah, here is it. So now the AI is working, and also I can use the template. Okay, all the template we have, and all the future template we will add, you will be able to use. Okay, it's all our funnel script. Okay, and also you can use the smart editor, which is recommended when you use long form copy option. Okay, so this way you can set your OpenAI key with the SmartScript, and you can use the unlimited version. Okay, so there are no limit for word count, image, or anything else. Okay, so I hope you get the idea how to set up this. Okay, so have a nice day.